Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money to your PPF account in 2025. If you're saving for the long term in India, the Public Provident Fund, PPF, is a fantastic option for tax benefits and secure growth. But transferring money can sometimes feel tricky, so let's break it down step by step to make it super easy for you. First off, what's a PPF account? It's a government-backed savings scheme that helps you build wealth over 15 years with attractive interest rates. Now, for 2025, the process has been streamlined with digital updates, so you can do this online without hassle. Step 1. Ensure you have a linked bank account. Most banks allow direct transfers, so log into your net banking portal. If you're using apps like the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, or your bank's mobile app, that's even better for 2025 updates. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers or Funds Transfer section. Look for options like NEFT, RTGS, or IMPS. Select PPF as the beneficiary. Remember, your PPF account number is key here. Double-check that it's correctly linked from your initial PPF setup. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. There's usually a minimum of 500 rupees per deposit, and you can add up to 1.5 lakh rupees annually for tax deductions. Confirm all details, including your PPF account holder's name and IFSC code, to avoid any errors. Step 4. Verify and authorize the transaction. You'll need your OTP for security, which is a standard 2025 enhancement for safer online banking. Once done, you'll get a confirmation SMS or email. A few quick tips. Always check the latest government guidelines on the PPF website, as rules might change. If you're new, open a PPF account first via your post office or bank. And remember, transfers are most efficient during business hours to avoid delays. There you have it. That's how you transfer money to your PPF account in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it'll help you stay on top of your savings goals. If this video helped, hit that like button. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.